Hi there. We have here another clam. So okay, lay this aside. Hoppa. Why is it in mirror? Okay, there's a new knife clamp from Tsprof, and it's for a fillet clamp, single fillet clamp. This one is from Knives and Tools here in the Netherlands, and the service is great. I'm very happy about them. I had before ordered these stones by the same company, and they were very quickly with it. Also the clamp. Let's take a look what we're talking about. If you want to sharpen a pocket knife, then these clamps are very beefy sometimes for the angles which you have to sharpening well. Okay, you have extra screws and Allen wrench, bag of salt. Okay, Hoppa. And of course you have the lamp. Oh, here's also the measurements of the clamp. Okay, awesome. Okay, handy. Okay. Okay, the length. I read it out loud. The length is 118 millimeters. The width of the clamp is 32 millimeters, and clamp height is 2.5 millimeters. So it's very small. If you compare it with one moment in time. Okay, let's this aside. That one too. Okay. 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 So. Oh. Come here. Okay. I'll take the other one off too. So. Okay. I had tried to sharpening a pocket knife with this, and the clamps are very beefy if you compare with this one. It's almost the same width, like one clamp. So if you imagine one of the sides is a major difference. These clamps is good for large knives and that kind of stuff. So I lay it by side. Okay. That one. Okay. That's two. Okay. Let's put it on and let's see what we dealing with. That one. And this too. Okay. I turn it by side, then okay. Okay. And a little bit. Okie dokie. So. Okay. Oh, what a... Okay. Oh, awesome. So, normally you have no one. This is the no. Okay. So I had to use the keys. Let's go with them. So, and I think that I get those and put the screws inside here. Otherwise I will lose them and then we have a challenge. Okay. Nice. And I think I have, I have a pocket knife too. It's looking good. Okay. Very, very nice. It's springy too. Awesome. I had where is he? Yes. If I have it correct, then you can put knives like this into the clamp and yes, okay. Try to get it even as possible. A little bit more. Oh, a tiny, tiny, tiny screws. Okay. I have to be very, very careful. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. So. Okay, awesome. Oh, let me look. I have to have some sound. Okay. 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 Let's see. And do we have clears? Oh, plenty. Oh, that's awesome. You have plenty of room between the stone and the knife and clamp. And it's a very small blade. Very, very small blade. And I could try to do like some without water. Oh, I make a big mistake. Hold it. Okay. So. 17. Whoa. Why? Why? Well, sometimes if you tie it up, they give some. Okay. Okay. Here we go. It's nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay. I have to look out for this one too before they will finish. Okay. Okay. I'm very happy with the results of it. That's my fault. It's my fault. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. I'm very happy. Okay. Yeah, okay. Met off. Okay, okay. Okay. Is not a new knife. Is wat op een Victorinox. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I'm very happy with this club. You have two different kinds. I understand. You have the normal size clamps, and it's for small, thinner knives, fillet knives, and pocket knives. Okay. Yeah, I'm very happy overall. That how you call it, the quality of it is awesome. Thank you, Knives and Tools. They located here in the Netherlands, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I understand they go almost over the world or over the world with what you want. You have to look at the website. Even kijken, er is een speel. Okay. I will post a picture of the site. If you search on Google knives and tools, you will see them. There's knives and tools, www.knivesandtools.nl. Go over there and yeah, I'm happy with it. No problems till so far. Thank you and bye bye.